Thank you for watching my videos. This is another video on Python programming language, and in this video we are going to talk about Python strings and how are we going to use strings in Python programming language. So string is in Python are surrounded by either single quote or double quote like this, as it is shown here. You can display the string with the print function. You see here, you can print with the double quote or single quote. In both cases it will print. It will output the string on the video. So you can use quotes inside string as long as they don't match the quotes surrounding the string. Here double quotes, you can use a single quote. A single quote, it is all right. Here is called Johnny. It is called double quote. You see, in quotes. So there is no problem. But in C language, you have to use that as a special character. Backslash, it should be followed by backslash. Otherwise, that will not work. So that difference, hope you understand. Okay. Assigning string to a variable, we have already seen it directly with the string value, and multiple strings, then similar to the comment, right? Triple quote, the entire string is allocated to the variable A. Okay, entire string, the entire 4-line string is allocated to variable A. You see here, entire thing is allocated to variable A. Should not be a problem. Okay, this will be executed. Or it can be single quotes also, 3 single quotes, that also works. We are adding a large string. So you can access the elements of that particular string with the indexes also starting from 0. Okay, so the string's position starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 0 is H, E means L. So let us get the value or element of at the A of 1. A of 2 is L. Okay, so like that you can actually access the elements of the string. So you can also use loop through the letters. Okay, X in banana, then we are printing, then each one BANNA. You can loop through the string. String is a set of characters, right? So it will loop through it, and then it will you can work on it. Then you can use the function length to identify the length of the string. And you also need to understand that the index starts from 0, and that means string length is 10. Then index values you can get from 0 till 9. So you can also check, in free in text, right? You can actually see whether it will be true or false. Okay, so that way you can also verify. So we can actually see that more details when you are doing more programming. But you can, if free in text, then print yes, free is present. You see, free is present. Okay. Not in, So earlier we used in, now not in. Not in also you can utilize to check the string is present. Okay. Now slicing of strings. How do we slicing of string means you want a special part of it, right? You can, as we mentioned, we have seen the indexing, right? So slicing means yeah, we want to print, okay, starting from 2 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. LLO, right? See, 2 to 5. Okay, you can actually copy those into a separate variable also, separate string also. Slice from the start. So if you give it blank, then that is from the beginning with the 5 characters, end of 5 characters. That means if you begin with 2 and end with blank, that means it will be till end. Okay, you can slice that. So use negative index to start the slicing from the end of the string, right? Starting from end of the string. Okay, you see here, from end of the string, what are their W O R L. Okay, from end of the string, from minus to, these are the words. So but not included in the world, position -2. Okay, so you can modify the string to uppercase with the a dot upper, lowercase to the, these are the result functions. Okay, and defined functions. You can use string functions. So you can use a dot lower to print the lowercase word, a dot upper, all are lowercase. Okay, so if you want to remove the white spaces, strip, you see, left and right, white spaces are removed. Replace some word with some letter with another letter. Split, you can split the strings based on comma and returns hello and world. So there are many methods. You can use these string references to understand. So concatenation is like a adding two words, two strings. So you can use the plus operator. Here A is hello and B is world. So A plus B is hello world. There is no space, so it will print hello world without any space and any gap. Here, okay. And then to add a space, we have to add as a separate string. Okay. So then only a space will be added. Then we have to format. See, this one is the integer. You cannot add a string with the integer. You have to convert that into string. Then only that will work. Okay. So that means you can format like this. You see, it is a format and then we can actually add our variable in lower brackets. So its corresponding value will be replaced and will display. Okay, this is how you can do it. So placeholder can contain variables, operations, functions and modifiers to format the value. Okay, you see, price is a placeholder. escape characters. So this is wrong. Okay, so we have to use it a proper way, right? Earlier we have seen it. You see, print text. If you keep it double quote, then that will be a problem. Thus, both will not work together. So, what we need to do is we have to escape it. You know, if you are familiar with C language, then you can easily correlate. Okay. So single quote, backslash, new line, carriage return, tab, backspace, form feed, octal value, hexagonal value. So try it. Easy to. String methods. What are the, we have seen is lower, is upper, right? So there are lower, upper, there are many methods are there. You can utilize them to replace split, strip, title. There are many functions are there. Go through each and every function and then you can utilize these functions in your program. Okay, so that is all about strings. Thanks for watching my videos. If you like it, like this video and share, subscribe and comment, and then wait for my upcoming videos for next chapter.